The A330-800neo. You could call it the aircraft that isn't as loved. This A330neo variant is one that has fallen really under the radar and has considerably less orders than the A330-900neo. In fact, the figure is over 200. The -800neo only has one customer, being Hawaiian Airlines. And if you've seen some of my recent videos, you'd note that it seems heavily rumoured Hawaiian would pull the plug on their order, resulting in the A330-800neo having absolutely no customers. However, today, much to the surprise of myself, it has been reported that United, yes United, are interested in the aircraft. Now, the only real surprise in my eyes with this interest is that it is an Airbus aircraft. Personally, I would have thought they may have looked to Boeing to help them replace their 757s, but I'll get on to the whole Boeing scenario in a second. But as the arrival of the 797, or the new middle-of-the-range market aircraft, is positioned to be coming in just under a decade, United seemingly needed a replacement sooner. This story was briefly shared in early February, however in the past few days it's gained a little bit more traction, and that's why I'm making the video now. It's important to mention that United are considering this A330-800neo to also go alongside this new middle-of-the-market plane that Boeing will be releasing to replace its 767 and 757s, so it doesn't rule out completely the 797 being used with United one day. This A330neo may be an aircraft the airline operates in the time being with only a small order, or they may genuinely place a decent sized order for this aircraft to prove its worth and to put it alongside this up-and-coming 797. The whole topic of the middle-ranged aircraft is constantly brought up in my videos, and for good reason. Just take a look at most of the US carriers. They have been phasing out their 757s and have been able to replace them with the 737-900s and A321s on services across America domestically. Yet they still don't have the ideal plane that can operate across the Atlantic. While the A321neo LR is an option, it just isn't what airlines want exactly. And this is simply why we see so many airlines cry out to manufacturers to just create something that can do this perfectly. Which is why this 797 and possibly the proposed stretched A321 could be so beneficial to multiple carriers around the world. United, among many airlines, have stated that the A321 simply does not perfectly do what they need, and while the 787-8 is also another option to replace their aging fleet, it appears the A330-800neo is certainly up there. So what do you make of this new interest? Do you believe this would be a perfect move for United, or do you honestly just think they should wait until the 797 comes out? You've also got to bear in mind that the 797, or whatever they're planning on calling it, is still just under a decade away if all goes according to plan. It has become apparent that they will eventually be ordering another aircraft. We're just going to have to wait and see. I'd like to thank you all very much for watching another one of my videos. I do hope you all enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Peace.
And we'll fly.